Hi everyone, I welcome you all to the third video of the 22nd module on consultation working with parents as an integral part of school counseling. The learning objective of this video are apprise the benefits of parent consultation and apply resilience focused paradigm to promote overall well-being of children. Now let us see the benefits of parental involvement in student. There are critical aspects that are positively impacted when parents are involved in school activities. They are increased academic achievement. The more intensely parents are involved, the higher is the impact on the academic achievement of students. The second one is improved classroom behavior. Showing interest and encouragement in a student's education by parents can have a positive impact on the child's attitude towards school, classroom conduct, motivation levels, self-esteem and absenteeism. And the third one is the overall impact on students' personality. Parents who show more involvement in students' life seems to be more stable, have healthy relationships and have clear goals for future as well. The fourth one is progress in disadvantaged children. Parents of disadvantaged children, minority or low income group children do not usually get involved due to a lack of information and training. With adequate support and training from the school, such parents would get a chance to be more involved and help in improving the performance of their children and contribute in a better way to the school. The next one is encourages students to be more involved in many activities. Parents who tend to read with their children eventually nurture them with a profound reading habit which helps lifelong. Not just reading, involvement in several other activities like homework, projects and assignments could help in getting more involved and interested. Improved teacher morale. Teachers who receive more support from parents benefit from their involvement and can make a positive contribution towards focusing on the students' interests and abilities, and it helps to have a better perspective as well. Improved quality of education. Parents tend to have more access and understanding of the system and the procedures happening in the school and can create a direct impact on the quality of education imparted, as there is an exchange of ideas and techniques to fine-tune aspects. It also improves creativity of the students. Now let us see the resilience-focused paradigm. This model focuses on enabling parents, teachers and students so as to encourage resilience and overall emotional well-being. The branding of having or suffering from some psychological problem is denied and instead substituted by a more positive and optimistic approach. The underlying theory of this paradigm is that children have the ability to learn, to be resilient and to grow and enhance their social and educational development. This model also identifies if there is positivity in a child's environment, then it facilitates for a better growth and development. Using this model, counselors identify unhealthy patterns in the family and classroom and then suggest ways that promote well-being and constructive growth by enhancing the competencies in social and emotional level, home and also getting support from school. This theory gives more of an optimistic viewpoint by looking at children's difficulties as emerging out of problems or hurdles in their overall development. Therefore, showing problems or difficulties in learning, emotional expression or other behavioral troubles as symptoms like coping ways which occur due to the unfavorable social situation, perception or difficulties in sustaining communication or interaction with others. Therefore, a student's school-related problem can be seen as his or her way of adapting or coping response to a hidden or suppressed problem problem within the student's social surrounding. Supportive family and classroom environments. Building up of resilience in student is related to certain factors or attributes of the social and environmental context in which their development is implanted. The highly significant aspects for them are those at home, school, and community level. Familial elements contribute more to the student achievement. Now let us see family and classroom environment's role for better functioning. Family and classroom role can be assessed along 5 elements essential for best possible social environment functioning. They are protection and safety maintenance. This refers to the need to deliver the basic needs of the students. Also, all students must feel safe and secured by all means, such as physically, emotionally, verbally, psychologically, and sexually at home, in the classroom, and in the school. The second one is maintaining adaptive and life skills. This task refers not only to educate skills in academics but also imparting the skills in children needed to be competent in social and emotional aspects, which plays a vital role for optimal growth and development. This is not only done at the school level, it is also taught directly at home where children model their parents and other family members. The next one is cohesion maintenance. This is about having a supportive, encouraging, and open communication between and among all members, that is, students, teachers, and parents. The next one is behavioral maintenance. Behavioral maintenance refers to identifying inappropriate behaviors and redirecting them. This is done by parents and teachers. And the fifth one is boundary maintenance. Boundaries must be clearly defined and maintained in proper manner with everyone, which includes parents at home level, teachers and other staffs at school, and also students must be made aware of their roles and responsibilities. To conclude, I would like to highlight some key points from the module to ponder upon them. There is a need for more parental engagement and involvement at school level now more than ever as it's declining. Research revealed that there is a drop in parents' belief that parent-teacher communication is helpful. Parents now prefer more of remote methods of communication like online gateways where they are less likely to interact with school teachers or go to parent-teacher meetings, due to which students tend to miss many things out when parents are unable to spend their time and give support. There are many factors behind this change in parent involvement at school. Parents and teachers working collaboratively to create a flourishing classroom has a very positive effect on their students. Better communication between parents and teachers can help improve students' daily attendance and also raise class participation levels. Establishing a healthy relationship between parent and teacher is more than just an elective benefit. So, I hope the module has given an idea in a nutshell about the importance of consultation, working with parents as an integral part of school counseling. Thank you.